बेसिकली इस बाइक में राइडेबिलिटी और सब कुछ काफ़ी अच्छा है, ग्राउंड क्लियरेंस अच्छा है, सस्पेंशन बहुत अच्छे हैं। थोड़ी सी जो मेरे को अब प्रॉब्लम दिखती है इसमें वो ये है कि फर्स्ट सर्विस के बाद बेसिकली, ठीक है, यूज़ टू जैसे ही मैं बाइक को हुआ उसके बाद जो वाइब्रेशंस हैं बाइक में, they come early up in third gear and fourth gear around, in third gear around 3 to 4,000 RPM. There's a slight vibrations or buzz you can say around the foot peg area. I don't know if it will go away in some time or something, but it's there and it annoys a little bit, but there's no power lag. What I've noticed is after the first service basically, earlier the bike used to give some jumps whenever you're on some gears and then you switch gears from second to third or whatsoever. It used to pull you back and it used to give certain acceleration. After the first service, it's a bit more, it feels like a more linear linear acceleration to be. तो लीनियर हुआ है, तो अभी मैं आई एम ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड द बाइक्स बिहेवियर की, because I have not driven any other scrambler, I'm just getting used to this one. Because लीनियर हुआ है, पावर में कम नहीं फील होता है, गियर्स, क्योंकि बाइक के गियर्स शॉर्ट हैं, फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड गियर्स आर प्रीटी शॉर्ट। तो थर्ड पे तो गाड़ी सिटी में बहुत इजीली आ जाती है, थर्ड गियर पे थोड़ा सा आगे बढ़ते ही थर्ड गियर वैसा। So basically, when I record it without the DJI Mic Mini, we get a good exhaust sound directly from the Osmo 4 action. But with the current setup which I've done now, right, it's it has this noise cancellation, dead cat and everything. So because of that, you're just missing the exhaust thrust or exhaust note. And these are just the initial videos which I'm doing just to try it out, like what suits best, and then I'll give you a mix of both. In third gear, 4,000 RPM above 50, we get a slight, the vibration comes up, and in the next 10 kilometer it peaks up. When you change the gear, it just reduces a bit. Fourth it reduces, then on fifth it reduces, but on fifth, if you're on close to 80 or 85, the vibration comes up at its peak, and then it maybe it's the bike's behavior. I'll let you know once I'm just accustomed to it. Also, I wanted to check the video quality at night. Okay, so I'm just recording it in the normal mode. I'm not recording it in raw mode. I'll try to keep it without color grading with these videos, and later on we'll try to add color gradings and stuff.